Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've done a chatting video with you guys. We've been doing Battle of the Stitches here and just other random things. I had the shirt crochet along, and today the last clue came out. So I hope that you've had a chance to do that with me. That was a fun project, and hopefully you had fun with it too, and you're able to create a shirt that you'll be proud to wear. I have been kind of, I don't know, maybe like feeling a little bit of anxiety about what kind of content to put out there. So I have been kind of not doing it. So I need to get back into it and to figure out what to do. I'm probably not going to do anything scheduled, because when I did scheduled content, other than Battle of the Stitches, I'll continue to do that. But whenever I had scheduled content in the past, it really didn't do well. You know, I might get a few views when I first started, and then people just stopped watching it. So I just have to figure out what to come on here and talk to you guys about with every once in a while. Over the summer, so far what's been happening is school ended the beginning of June, and a couple weeks before that, KnitPal had hired me to work with them, and I'm really excited about that. So once school let out, I was able to do a little bit more with KnitPal. They're having me do Amazon Lives, which I didn't even know Amazon did lives until I got hired by KnitPal. Their lives are a little bit different than what we do here on YouTube as far as lives. The lives there are less social and more about bringing information about the product to people who are there, but the people that are there, you know, while you're doing the live, can ask you questions and that kind of stuff. I've done 3 of the Amazon lives so far, and I've had very little interaction during those lives, which is okay. It's not, you know, I guess when you're doing a live on Amazon, it just really isn't supposed to be as social as it is here on YouTube. But I've been, you know, showing the product and talking about it, and I've been really happy with it. I like the KnitPal yarn a lot. I've been talking a lot about their cotton to the core. I'm back. I forgot to bring it over. And I'm just showing you because I like it. I actually am not going to get paid anything extra if you buy something from KnitPal or not. You know, this was just, I'm showing you because I really like it. This is their cotton, and their cotton is really, really soft and fuzzy, and they don't do ply. They do something called chainette when they make their yarn, and that's where it's more like a tube, and so that's why it won't split when you're using it. So I kind of made this hat, this baby hat, as a demonstration, you know, for the live. And then here's a different color of the cotton to the core. This one's called denim. And I just did, like, you know, I don't know, a random dishcloth with double crochets. I forget what they called this stitch, but it's the double crochets where you go in between the stitches, not on top of the stitches. But it just made a really nice texture for that cloth. And then I've also been arranging for testing of patterns and possible kit ideas for KnitPal. And so we have some people who are pattern testing for the dishcloth, and, you know, trying to feel out if that would make a good kit item to sell, you know, get the yarn and the pattern, all of that, like in a kit. So that's in the process, but it was fun. I got to, you know, talk to people and find people who would test that kind of stuff. And then I've also been put in charge of the Facebook groups, which I'm working on doing a little bit more with that. I've been doing more. They have 2 Facebook groups. There's one for knitting and one for Tunisian crochet. Right now, there's nothing for regular crochet, so I don't know. I've talked to her a little bit about that, and she doesn't want to do another group. So we're we're just trying to figure it out. So far in the Tunisian crochet, I'm trying to organize crochet along that we can do together. And so right now it's just in the process of doing polls to figure out what the most popular thing will be. So hopefully after a few more polls, we can get it all figured out and get that started. But I'll link the Facebook pages in my description just in case you were interested in joining them. Hopefully we'll be able to spark a little bit more interaction. They've been a little bit quiet lately. But you know, I'm figuring everything out too. It's all kind of, we're all figuring it out. But it's been fun. I really, really have enjoyed this job with Knit Pal, and I hope that it continues. I hope that more people can find out about Knit Pal yarn. I really didn't know much about it until I was hired, but now that I know, I feel like, oh my gosh, everybody should know about this yarn. It's really nice. And maybe sometime I'll show you some of the other ones if there's an interest in that. You know, drop a comment if you would like to see more of their yarn, and it would just be me talking about it. It's not, I hate it when people are like, buy this, it's going to give me money. You know, it wouldn't be that. It would just be me showing you what's available. I don't get a commission for a sale. So I get paid to do the Amazon lives and to do the pattern testing and the Facebook groups. That's where mine is. So, you know, if you feel like that might be like being too pushy, I won't do that. But just drop a comment if you would be interested in seeing some of their other yarn, or if you think that would be a little bit too much. But I had decided I was looking through my stuff, and I've got a lot of yarn here. I was trying to figure out, should I do a new project, or should I, you know, what should I do? And I found some of my bags that I would carry projects in, and I had 2 bags that had half-started projects. So I thought, well, I'll finish them up. I'll show you guys how they look now. And then as I'm finishing them up, I'll just show you how they turned out. This design is Crystal from Hook That Yarn's top-down design. It's not a pattern that I made up, but I've gotten this far with it, and I'm making it with the Lion Brand Ice Cream. This color is Tutti Frutti. And so I thought, you know what? I really like this. I love the bright colors. I want to finish it up. So my goal is to make it long enough to wear. Obviously, this would be too short for me. And I think even if I was still young and still thin, I still think this would be too short. It's just a little bit. But I want to make it a good length, a good modest length. And then I want to, if I have enough, I hope I will have enough at the end. I have 2 more, or I have this and 1 more left. I want to make the sleeves a little bit longer. I'm going to keep it short sleeves, but maybe like bring them down to here. I like the sleeves a little bit longer for what I have. And then the other thing that I found, I completely forgot about this. This is the first panel, and apparently I started the second panel to a shirt that I started. And this is just from here down. It matches this so well, doesn't it? And then I just need to kind of work up that way and then make the back panel. But apparently I started the back panel, and I don't know what happened with this. I completely forgot that I even had it. But this is made with yarn that I got on sale once a while ago from Hobby Lobby. The Yarn Bee, hand dyed. Does this have a color? It might. Here's the color. And, you know, this is typically pretty, I mean, it depends on what you call expensive, but compared to like one of these, this is pretty expensive. But I had gotten it on one of their clearance sales years ago. And so I was excited to try it. And I think I started the shirt and then I just put it away because probably I had other things I was working on. And I thought, oh, I'll get back to that. And then I just kind of put the bag away and I completely forgot about it. But I'm excited to work on that too. So I'll try and finish that up over the summer. I'm on day 14 I've completed up to day 14 of my Advent crochet along in December. And my goal is to finish that before the end of summer, because once school starts off, between school and Knit Pal and marching band for my sons, it's going to be total chaos. So I'm just going to try to do those ahead of time so that I have that ready. I love doing the Advent Christmas crochet alongs. And hopefully this year I'll be able to organize it a little better. I'll put it in a playlist, and I'll try to put it in order from 1 to 24, just to make it easier. I get a little scattered sometimes about organizing my playlist, but I'm trying to get better about that. So that one, I will do that once I start posting them. Right now, I'm just creating the videos and then putting them together. And so I have them saved on my phone right now, but I will, once I get all 24, I will put them into YouTube, just as to be set to come out on the day that they're supposed to come out in December. So I think that's really about all that's going on right now. I miss you guys, and I want you to let me know in the comments what you guys are up to. If there's anything you want to see specific on this channel. Again, if you were interested in seeing any of the Knit Pal yarn, I don't want to be a pusher because I've certainly seen enough people who really push stuff. I have a couple of companies that I'm affiliated with, but I usually just leave them in my description and let you decide if you want to do that. And sometimes, like, I'm affiliated with Darn Good Yarn, and sometimes when they have really good sales, I'll post in my community, in my community tab, I'll post what their sale is and give my affiliate link. But I don't want to be, like, oh, buy Darn Good Yarn, buy this, buy that. I don't want to be about that. I want to be about crocheting community. I want to be about friendship, and I want to be about, all that we do here, the yarn, sharing good things. So, I want to keep it like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to hear from you. I want to hear in the comments what's going on with you guys. Bye.